This is the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a 3D printer designed to simplify the setup process and make printing more accessible for beginners. In this video, I'm taking a closer look at the overall design, the setup experience, and the print quality you can expect from this machine. One of the main features here is automatic bed leveling using CR Touch. This helps reduce the amount of manual adjustment needed before printing, which can save time and make the process more consistent, especially if you're just getting started with 3D printing. The build volume is 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, which is enough for most everyday projects like functional parts, decorative prints, or small prototypes. The Ender 3v3 SE also uses a direct drive extruder, which can improve filament control compared to older Bowden-style setups. This can be useful when printing with different materials or when you need more stable extrusion. In this review, I'll show you how the printer performs in real use, go through the setup, and share my impressions after testing. If you're looking for a 3D printer that focuses on ease of use, automatic leveling, and a straightforward setup process, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is definitely an interesting option to consider.